Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman rahim. Our today's topic is fruits name, phalon ke naam. Okay, in Urdu we call banana kela. Kaf, sorry, we're going to write on this line. Kaf ye lam alif la, kela. Apple is seb. Seen ye be. Next is peach. Peach is adu, a, ru, re, and vowel. All are written separately. Next is gava, amrud, amrud. Mim re mar, vowel and dal, amrud. Pear. Next is pear. Nashpati. Nun alif na, sheen, pe alif pa, te choti ti. Nashpati. Okay, pineapple is ananas. Ananas. Next is oranges. We use kinu and Malta both for orange. Coconut is nariyal. Grapes is angur. Angur. Next is mango. Aam. Melon is kharbuza. Kharbuza. And watermelon is tarboos. Tere tar, bewa bo, see tarboos. Custard apple is sharifa. Shirishar, ye and fe ye. Sharifa. Papaya is papita. Pa-pi-ta. Okay. Jazakallahu khairan kaseeran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman rahim. Next we will write some few lines on our favorite fruit. My is mera. Favorite is pasandida. You have already done it in one of the topics. Fruit is phal. Fruits are phalo. When we use it as plural, phalo. The fruits. And for the one single, we will use fruit phal. Okay. For example, let's say we can write it on aam. My favorite fruit is mango. So, my favorite fruit is mango. Mera pasandida phal aam hai. My favorite fruit is mango. मेरा पसंदीदा फल आम है. Its color is yellow. Its color, इसका रंग yellow is पीला होता है. Its taste is sweet and yummy. इसका मज़ा मीठा होता है. It is a summer fruit. ये गर्मियों का फल है. It is a summer fruit. My favorite fruit is mango. Its color is yellow.